Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find files in your iPhone. So let's get straight into it. Now what we need to do is just push up that we found this search and type in file like so, and this app will show up file. Okay, so now we have some locations. So iCloud, Drive, GMX, Mail, Drive, and so on. And here you can see the files which you have on this space. So like that, you can then search for this type of uh, files. You can also uh, see what you deleted and so on. So yeah, this is how you can find files in your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.